afternoon, everyone. On this occasion, I'd like to answer the question that have been given for the midterm test of English debate course. The answer I prefer are based on my opinion and experience. Now, I'd like to begin with the first question. Before coming to class today, I spent some time at home. I took a shower, had lunch, and checked my social media for a while. After that, I prepared my books and other things that I needed for class. Then, I went to campus and wait for the class to begin. It was a normal day and I feel ready for today's activity. Right now, I feel good and quite relaxed. I'm happy because I can learn new things and spend time with my classmates. Even though I'm nervous, I see it as motivation to prepare well and participate actively in learning activity. A few days ago, I went to Singkawang with my friends. We had a lot of fun together. We played games, talked about many things, and enjoyed our time together. It was a simple trip, but it was very enjoyable and memorable for me. I prefer study at night because the environment is usually quieter. At night, there are fewer distractions, so I can focus better on reading and doing assessment. I feel more comfortable study during that time, especially when I need to concentrate on difficult tasks. When I feel stressed, I usually listen to music and watch movies or Korean drama. This activity helped me relax and improve my mood. Think social media is helpful if we use it wisely. It helps people communicate, share information, and learn new things. However, spending too much time on social media can be harmful. In my opinion, the key is using it responsibly and balancing it with other activities. My favorite application is TikTok. I use it because it is entertaining and informative at the same time. I can watch educational videos, study tips, and funny content. It helps me relax after study, but I try not to spend too much time on it. Yes, I think students should have less homework. Homework is important, but too much homework can make students feel tired and stressed. Students also need time to rest, spend time with family, and develop other skills outside the classroom. I think study with friends is better because we can help each other understand difficult topics. Group discussion allows us to share ideas and learn from different perspectives. However, I also think study alone is important for review lesson and preparing for exam. In my opinion, a good teacher is patient, friendly, and knowledge. A good teacher explains lesson clearly and encourages students to participate. They also motivate students to improve and support them when they face difficult in learning. I think offline learning is better because students can interact directly with teacher and classmates. It is easier to ask questions, participate in discussion, and stay focused. Although learning is convenient, I personally learn better in a classroom environment. I do not completely agree. Money can make life easier and provide comfort, but true happiness comes from relationship, health, and meaningful experience. Money is important, but it's not the only thing that brings happiness in life. I do not think university students should be required to wear uniforms. University students are adult and should have the freedom to choose appropriate clothing. However, students should still dress neatly and respectful in academic setting. I think living in a city is better because there are more opportunities for education and work. Cities also have better facilities such as hospital, public transportation, and university. However, villages are often quieter and more peaceful. Yes, English is very important for my future career. English helps people communicate internationally and access information from around the world. Good English skill can also increase job opportunities and support professional development. If I were the Ministry of Education, I would focus on improving the quality of education. I would provide better facility, support teacher, and ensure that students in remote areas receive equal learning opportunities. Many students feel afraid to speak English because they worry about making mistakes. Some are afraid of being judged by others. I think students should understand that mistakes are a natural part of learning and help us improve. I think one of the biggest problems is unequal access to quality education. Some students have excellent facility and research, while others do not. Every student should have the opportunity to receive a good education regardless of their background. Students can improve their English speaking skill to be practicing regularly. They can speak with friends, watch English video, and join discussion. The most important thing is to practice constantly and not be afraid of making mistakes. Technology can something make people lazy because many tasks become easier. However, technology also helps people work more efficiently and access information quickly. I think the impact depends on how people choose to use it. If I could change one role in my campus, I would reduce the number of assessments during exam week. Students often have many responsibilities at the same time, and reduce student workload could help them focus better on their exam. If I were famous influencer, I would make content creator about dance and food. I really enjoy dancing, so I would share dance video and fun challenge. I also love trying different food, so I would make food review video. If possible, I would like to travel abroad and try local food from different countries. I think it would be fun to share my experience and introduce new places and food to other people. If English disappeared tomorrow, international communication would become more difficult. Many people ask English for business, education, and travel. It would take a long time for the world to adapt to another common language. I think teachers are more influential because they guide students directly and help shape their knowledge and character. Social media can influence people too, but teachers provide personal support and education that can have a lasting impact. In the last 25, I would like to debate Angelina Jolie because she is not a famous actress but also a humanitarian. She has helped many people around the world and support important social causes.